When you think of summer in Ontario, you think beaches, right?
Now imagine spending a weekend not in one but in 3 beach towns, Southampton, Sauble Beach and Port Elgin, so close they're practically neighbours.
Not Southampton, England.
We had a long weekend, so of course we decided to hit them all.
Now I know why people were raving about this place.
So get ready for all the tan, beach vibes and some serious Caribbean feels right here in Ontario. Finally, we have reached. First up, we are setting our base here in the quaint town of Southampton, and we are starting our day at the most popular bakery, which is called the Offshore Bakery. And let's get some sweet treats because tomorrow, Sunday and Monday, it's closed. What's the most popular thing?
Most popular thing for a square that have to say are peanut butter brownie and brownie squares.
The tarts and brownies are very popular. So we got one tart and one brownie to share.
I just met the owners here, the boss ladies. So when did you start this?
1991.
When I was born, 1991. Wow. Hello.
I'm Marcel.
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 Nice to meet you. We were really excited to come here. We have heard so much about it. So this is the first stop at Southampton.
Not Southampton, England.
In Ontario, for sure. We are getting a special tour at the back. I'm really excited. This is where all the magic
See all
happens.
that's a rolling machine there. That's from Switzerland.
So do you make it like every morning?
Every day.
Every day.
Fresh.
They start at 2 o'clock.
2 o'clock at night?
Yeah. That's from Belgium.
Wow. We'll share.
Oh, that's a lot. That's a lot.
Are we also going to get your secret recipe of the tarts too? Look at all the brownies here.
This is an old machine here. But we call it the hockey stick. It's a good one. Not that. That's rough.
Old is gold.
Yeah. 120 loaves.
Oh, wow.
One go. I became Canadian, became Australian citizen.
Oh,
I'm Swiss.
okay.
I did the Opera House, you know the Opera House?
Yes.
I did the opening.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. I was the pastry chef there. Wife is Dutch and she works in the business full time too, you know.
Yeah.
She is my rock.
Sweet. And when did you come to Canada?
About 42 years.
Okay.
I'm already 82.
You look young for 82.
That's what they say, you know. I don't feel like it.
This is amazing.
Most
and
people-
hearing your story too.
Most people don't know. I started with one oven who was 50 years old on one machine. And now you know
Look
how
at
many
this.
people have come, you know.
Right.
Salina. But if you're willing to work, you can go anywhere.
Exactly.
That's true.
You gotta work hard.
Yeah. Not many people are here, no?
I feel special.
Yeah,
Thank
you
so
are.
much.
It's a pleasure to meet you guys.
Yeah,
same
likewise.
here.
Come back again.
Honestly, hearing Marcel's story was so inspiring. I could feel his passion, every word, and it really hit me that if you're driven by what you love, you can make anything happen no matter where you are.
Honestly, I'm not a fan of tarts, but this custard tart is delicious. Wow. So flaky from outside and so gooey from the inside.
Mmm. Oh man. Now I know why people were raving about this place. Brownie is so good. It's not even very sweet. It's the perfect sweetness that you can actually get.
We still have some time for our check-in at our motel. So we thought we'll grab a quick lunch before that. And I just saw this restaurant called the Walker House. Let's grab a quick meal. Established in 1915. Can you believe it? This has been around for more than 100 years. And surprisingly, the menu is pretty big.
I ordered chicken Caesar wrap with sweet potato fries.
And I got the chicken Caesar salad. Caesar salad was just alright. But the crispy chicken Caesar wrap was delicious.
Yeah, I loved it.
So we are checking in at a motel. It's called the Beach Motel. This is actually just a stone throw away from the beach, and it's a coastal inspired boutique motel, and I'm really excited to see inside. I saw the pictures, it looked really nice, and now it's almost time to check in. Wow, looks so nice.
The keys, waterproof if you guys planning on swimming. Being ice, there's an ice bucket in your room.
Okay, and that's a key.
Pretty cool.
Alright,
Nice.
looks good. double beds because that was the only room available.
They all sold out for the long weekend.
Yes, it is crazy. I want to see the washroom. I'm always excited for that. Pretty nice, clean, decent, minimalist. I like it.
I love the pastel colors that they've used in their room. Very well made. It's actually a stylish motel.
This is our home for the next 2 days.
Yeah. I drove for 2.5 hours.
But the drive wasn't bad.
Yeah.
And now get up
Why?
because we need to hit up the beach.
Let's hit the beach!
And the beach is just right here. The location is just perfect. We couldn't have asked for more. Wow. We are finally at Southampton Beach. And apparently they have the second most beautiful sunset in the world.
We'll see. We'll see.
Yeah, it's a bright sunny day, so definitely we'll have a good sunset.
Yep.
We are doing a sunset picnic, by the way.
And I'm glad we did not have to buy anything for the picnic because the motel gave everything to us. I hope it doesn't fall.
Yeah.
I love the water here. It's perfect for a good swim.
Time to open all the treats. First, obviously, need hydration, so water bottles, crackers, guacamole. Ooh, this is hummus, my favorite. Some cold cuts, walnuts. They're flavored. Fruits. One last thing.
Looks like a donut.
Yeah, it is. The attention to detail with everything. They've also provided napkins, some cutlery, and also, very important, beach towels right here. By the way, Southampton is along the shores of Lake Huron, and the sand is golden here, crystal clear blue waters, and also the best part, it's the long weekend. It's still not that crowded, and the sun is right in front of us. It's going to set here, and it's going to look beautiful. I can just imagine it already. It's so pretty. I wasn't expecting this. This is just 2.5 hours away from our home, and you get this.
And now I know why it's called the Caribbean of Ontario.
Yes. Let's go. Seriously, wow. Can't believe my eyes. It is the perfect sunset right in front of us. Perfect, round, orangey.
I think one of the best we have witnessed in Canada.
One of the best.
Yeah.
Now there's joy in my soul. I feel it dance in my feet. This love, this love, this love.
And now people have started coming. I think this is like the prime time when everybody wants to see the sun going down.
Yeah. You should definitely come to Southampton Beach, do a nice picnic and watch the sunset.
Beautiful.
The sunset is breathtaking.
Yeah. And that's it. It's time to go back and call it an early night.
Thank you. We were exploring the town and all the restaurants are almost closed, but I had some late night cravings, so got some pizza here
Woo!
from this place called South
South-
Mart and Pizza.
Cheese slices
Cheese
here.
slices.
Honestly, I had zero expectations from this one because we just found a random convenience store here, but the pizza is pretty good. Good morning, guys. Let's get ready. They have an espresso machine right in the room. And we woke up super early today. Just enjoying a morning coffee, relaxing, just casually strolling in our motel. They also have a spa and sauna here as well. It's so pretty. You have the views of the trees in front. Perfect. And we are ready to explore another town, another beach town to be very specific. And we'll be going to I'll actually take you there.
And it's Sauble Beach. But first, breakfast.
It's time to refuel ourselves, and we have come to this Wellness Cafe, the Wellness Refinery, and look how pretty it looks from the outside. They also have a back patio as well. I love it.
They've got all healthy stuff here.
It's actually a back window here to get our food. Looks nice. First of all, can we take a moment to appreciate how pretty it looks? Wow. And I got the cortado, Saranj got the cappuccino, and the coffee is really good. Look at this cafe. Wow. They have a nice little patio here in the backyard. Beautiful. Also, the food here was so good. The smoothie bowl was just perfect, and the avocado toast was so different. It had like a drizzle of like honey, and also get with the salad. It was so good.
It's packed, it's crowded. I was actually not expecting this beach to be so crowded. It's been almost 20 minutes. I can't find parking here.
And we finally made it to the iconic Sauble Beach. It's crazy here. There's a continuous flow of cars, especially because it's a Sunday and also the long weekend. But this beach town has complete beach vibes, from the stores to the aesthetics of this place. Do you want to see how busy it is? So the highlight of Sauble Beach is that it's a 11-kilometer stretch of sandy goodness.
To be honest, what will I do with an 11-kilometer stretch of white sand beach when there's so much crowd here? This is not for me.
Yeah, it's not for me either. I'm glad we had a great beach stay yesterday at Southampton. But even Sauble Beach has like spectacular sunset too. I mean, this entire area of Bruce County, it's beautiful, but it's crazy.
It literally killed my vibe. I don't know if it's the weekend or the weekdays on summer is also like this. There's not even one spot to literally chill here. If you enjoy crowds, this beach is for you.
Let's explore the town now. This town has total beachy vibes. Everyone is in their beach attire. There are a lot of stores here if you want to buy something beachy. Cover-ups, floaties, you name it, hats. You have everything here. A lot of bikinis.
It's such a cozy shack. You can always stop by to have some nice cocktail, beer.
Oh, this minivan is so adorable. Oh, there's actually a store here. Look how cute it is. I want to go inside. You want to come?
Yep, let's go.
They have a lot of good clothes here. Very tasteful stuff. Look at this place. Like literally, where are we in Canada? We explored a lot. It's time for a quick bite. And you know what I just saw? Look at this. There's a taco bus right here. So cute. What do you want?
Let's do fish and chicken.
Okay. Hello, how are you? Good. I'll get 2 fish tacos, 1 chicken. Wow. The margarita is so good, so refreshing.
You ordered a virgin one, right?
Yeah, it's a virgin one. But they also have the cocktails too. There you go.
They look so loaded.
Wow. I always love fish tacos, but honestly here, chicken is my favorite.
It's not your usual chicken taco. It actually has charcoal grilled chicken in it and topped up with coriander sauce. It's very flavorful.
I guess I have to take my words back. The fish taco is equally good. It's actually so different. It has pickled onions, pineapple. It is so summery and tropical. Really good. So we freshened up and decided to have dinner at a motel itself because we were really tired, and they also have a really nice restaurant in the motel called Sandbar. So we're just going to keep it a relaxing evening, just chill at a motel. They have a beautiful patio and I've already chosen what I want for tonight.
Here's to our staycation.
Cheers. Alright, enjoy.
Oh, okay. I never thought French toast with chicken and maple syrup would taste so delicious.
This is an interesting combination for sure. And also the tofu was delicious. Honestly, broccoli is my least favorite vegetable on planet. But if I am enjoying broccoli, you know, it's well seasoned. I don't know what they did with the broccoli, but it just tastes so good. Thank you.
Oh,
Very good, very good.
So the flowers on there are edible. It's barrage flowers, and then the Malgolio syrup. I don't know if you've heard what I ferment pine cones for 2 months in the sun.
Oh, seriously?
Yeah, for real. And then I
for
make
real.
this syrup.
You deserve a Michelin star.
Thank you.
Honestly,
No, thank you.
this is
Thank
really great.
Thank you. Thanks for joining us, guys. Enjoy your desserts.
What an exceptional dinner. And even the desserts, the cheesecake was mind-blowing, and also the baked donut. It was too good. I honestly did not have any space in my tummy, but I just had to. And last night they had this fireplace on as well because it's cloudy tonight, so they didn't turn it on. But otherwise, this place is so nice to chill. It has very cozy vibes with the fairy lights and everything. Cheers to tonight. I'll see you tomorrow. Another day, another beach. Good morning from another beach, which is just literally 10 minutes away from Southampton. We are at Port Elgin. We are not at their main beach, but at a hidden beach, which is Gobbles Grove. So we woke up early, grabbed a quick coffee from Dizzy Bird Coffee, which is just in the main town of Southampton. The coffee is really nice, by the way, cappuccino, very nice and strong. And the drive to this beach was beautiful. You can just park your car right here.
Right in front of the beach.
Exactly. You don't even have to walk around with your stuff. Just park and you have these beautiful views. Stunning.
Cheers to good times on the beach. It's so shallow.
Perfect if you have kids. I think yesterday it was a bit rocky at Southampton.
There were a lot of stones there.
You can literally see your feet in the water. That means it's crystal clear.
I feel the beaches at Sagin Shores, they are a beautiful slice of paradise.
And also the waves here. It's stunning.
Somewhere in between what is real and imagined. Now I'm walking through the night, pacing in the cold.
Summer in Canada is beautiful. We just get a couple of months to enjoy, but I think everyone should make the best use of it. Go out, enjoy the beautiful Ontario. There's a lot to explore here in Canada, which is the best part.
Oh wow, that's a big ass floaty right there.
Like a lyrics made to sing, we go perfect together. We go perfect together.
Just grabbing a quick breakfast at a motel because this is complimentary in our stay, so why not? Sadly, it's our last day here. We have to leave. So we checked out from the beach motel and now we are here to explore some stores here in Southampton. This is a pretty popular store. I've heard they do olive oil tasting inside. Wanna check it out?
Yeah, let's do that.
Wow, you can really taste the flavors. Ooh, the Chipotle one has a nice kick. And where is it from?
Get them from across the world, but they are processed in California.
The store is really nice. We got two things from here, olive oil, and this is Tuscan herb, and also got white balsamic vinegar, and we got the cranberry and pear flavor. It was so good, great for like salads. Loved it. Ah, damn it. We decided to actually take the bikes and take the full round from Southampton to Port Elgin, and it is a beautiful stretch where you can get stunning views of Lake Huron, but the bike shop
is closed. What to do now? We can go by car
Yeah,
and stop in between.
that's the only option.
I really wanted to bike. Next time. We'll save something for next time. And now we are here to explore Port Elgin. This is also a cute little tiny town. Also has the beach side as well. But first, let's grab some lunch because I'm really hungry. And I see this place, the Visma House. It's packed. I hope we get to play. Yeah, sure.
Hey!
That was funny. They wanted to be a part of the vlog. Whoa, that's a huge ass fried chicken sandwich right here.
How's the burger?
It's alright. Out of all the 3 towns that we have visited, I think this is the smallest. Honestly, there's not much to do here. Not even like stores to explore. I think the loop is the way to go. You can just walk towards the main beach, which is the Port Elgin beach. We explored Gobbles Grove here, so we don't really need to do a beach day. Also, it's cloudy, but glad we got good sun on our first day. You want some coffee?
Yep.
Enjoying some brownies now.
It's pretty good.
Yeah. And just got to know, this cafe is from the same owner.
It's owned
A
by
Dizzy
it's
Bird
owned by
Cafe.
Dizzy Bird Coffee.
Yeah, in Southampton that we went to. So I'm sure the coffee is going to be good.
So soft and gooey.
And also I love the vibes inside with the brick wall. It's almost time to go back home.
Yeah, it's a 2.5 hour drive back as well.
Let's go to the beach one last time before we say goodbye.
Let's do that.
They make piping hot cappuccino. Really good. And ending a trip right at the beach. We are at Port Elgin main beach. This is a pretty decent beach too. I like it. There are people but not as crowded as Sauble Beach. What a lovely staycation. You get 3 beach towns in one. So many beaches to explore. So many places to go to. I still have a couple of things that I didn't check off on my bucket list. For that, I'll have to come back again, I guess. But overall, it was a complete beach vacation right here in Ontario. It was beautiful. And don't forget to hit the like button. If you like today's video, just do it for the sunset at Southampton. I know, you will do it for sure. Do you want to go home?
No, I want to
Do you
stay
feel
here.
like-
This is my happy place.
Until then, I'll see you next time. Bye.